Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to edit Google Sheets in Google Sheets mobile. So actually in Google Sheets mobile, it's actually pretty easy, and I already opened the Google Sheets apps here. So if you click on the file like this, for example, you just need to find the one that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit the data from other tabs. You can just swipe the tab sheet here at the bottom, and then for example I want to edit this one. You can just click on the tab sheet, and then here just click on a cell that you want to edit, and to type in you just need to double click, and then the keyword will appear, and you can just type in here like this. And to save your changes, you can just click on a check icon at the top, and the changes that you made will be saved automatically. Okay, so that's all from me. If you guys think this content is helpful, please click on the thanks below, click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you guys.